Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Muzabil in front of you and we are here with a new podcast. With me I have same friends, Usman, Aziz and Hassan Ansar. So how are you both?
Alhamdulillah, what about you?
I'm also fine. What about you, Hassan?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, very good.
Okay, so as we all know that in the previous podcast we have talked about the software and these type of things, the TEDx and the
IBEX,
TEDx, yeah.
software companies. So now we will talk about that how you intend to enter in the software field. First of all, Usman, this question is for you. Tell me about this. From where to you intend to start to enter this field, software engineering?
Yeah. Muzammil, my brother told me to admission in software engineering. I have my background, you know about that. I complete my intermediate in medical science subjects.
Okay.
So he told me then I can register myself in UIT University. Yeah.
Okay, so you are now studying in UIT University.
Yeah. I complete my bachelor's from UIT.
Okay. Okay, so you have completed your software degree from UIT
Yeah,
University.
UIT
So what was your
University.
experience at UIT University?
Nothing good.
Okay,
yeah.
So now good thing. So what about you, Hassan?
Yeah, as you know, I told you that I have completed my intermediate in civil engineering. So I know that software engineering have a scope have a scope. That's why I joined software engineering.
Okay, so do you have any friend in your gathering so who suggested you to enter or to take a part in software field?
No, I have no any friend of software engineering that told me to suggest me to join software engineering. I search on a websites about software engineering, its scope, how I become a good software engineering with skills.
Okay. So have you learned for anything from YouTube or these type of things
Yeah.
about software, or you have learned from your institute or anything?
No, I have not learned any special skills from my institute. I have learned all the things from the YouTube. I tell you the channel name, Code with Harry,
Yeah.
Apna College. From the
These are the
Yeah.
YouTube channels.
His YouTube channel
are very
have
good.
They are very-
completely
yeah,
gone.
They have having a skills.
Yeah, they are
of
teaching
course.
very good.
Yeah, of
And
course.
most of the students they studied from these type of
Yeah.
channels
Of
for
course.
exams also.
Yeah. We also studied from this channel.
Okay, so don't you think that if we are starting the software engineering field, we are starting our life with the software engineering field, so we have to learn the all languages or only few languages like Python and Java,
You have
because there are so many languages.
Yeah, you are right. There are many languages like Java, Python, C++, JavaScript. But you should have only command on one language, so you can easily get the jobs. If you have a command on one language, having a good skills, so you can easily get
But
a job.
I have thought that like if you have a multi-language skills, then you
Yeah.
will get easily job rather than you have a one.
Of course, it's depend upon software houses.
For example, if you know multiple languages like Python,
Yeah,
Java,
C++,
C sharp, or
yeah, of
these
course.
type of things, so then you
Yeah.
will get job easily in any software house.
Of
But if
course,
you know
yeah.
only Python or only Java, then they will wait you.
No, it's totally depend on company demands. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have laptops or computers in your houses?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the specification of these? So like there are specific laptops for coding and this type of things. So what will you suggest to the audience that which kind of laptop or specification have compulsory for the?
Don't tell about laptops. Yeah. The public will think about this video is sponsored. Yeah.
No, that's not a sponsored video. Like there are the, like we can say that there are types of code, so we can learn on any laptop which we specifications we need. I'm talking about specifications, not the company or Dell or HP.
I have my laptop. Yeah, their specification is the Core i5, 8 GB RAM, and 256 CPU.
Okay, so
Yeah,
on which studio you learn your code? Like there are NetBeans, Visual or this or
Yeah,
that.
I totally work my programming on like a Visual Studio. Also a little bit in NetBeans.
When I
yeah.
am learning the code, I work on different type of different type of platforms like Visual, NetBeans. I also use online Java compiler.
I have heard that in the NetBeans we have some errors like regarding program running.
No, it take time to compile the program.
Of
And what
course,
about
yeah.
Java, VS Code?
It is very fast.
Very fast
Yeah.
to compile the code.
Okay. So
I complete my 80% work on Visual Studio.
okay,
Yeah.
Visual Studio.
Yeah, of course. It is
I
very
think-
fast.
I think it took very short time to learn the code.
Yeah.
But
Compiler is very fast.
Fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in Visual Studio we can do any type of program
Of course, yeah.
or any type
You
of
can-
language.
Yeah,
any
yeah,
type
yeah.
of language. C
Of
type.
course, Python.
Yeah.
You can easily make your code on Visual Studio in Python language. It is not difficult.
You should download the Python language from the Google.
The extensions, yeah.
Extensions,
Yeah,
there are different
extensions.
extensions for different
Yeah.
languages.
Yeah,
I
of
know.
course.
Whenever you go in university, I personally studied in a state institute.
Yeah.
So
course.
I also these same things during the exams or these type of things. If you talk about skills, so like if you are choosing the software engineering degree or this.
Take your tea, bro.
Yes, thank you. So if you are choosing the software engineering in your software engineering field, so you should work yourself, and
Yeah.
you should work like hardly, and because these is not this like we can say this degree is not like we can say engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering. So we do a ratta vacation and
Yeah.
in the theory or these type of things. But in the software engineering, we have
Must have skills.
Yeah, we have skill. Must we have learned for skills?
Programming skills.
Yeah, programming. Because it's not a boring. It's not a too much boring, and because if we talk about the like if you are if you do programming by yourself, if you are solving the problems from taking internet,
Yeah.
so you will get so many skills and you will be a good software engineer.
Yeah.
Not in the Python or these type of things. In any language you will learn or you will do yourself, so I think you will get a good software engineer.
Okay.
What about your thoughts on this?
Muzammil, I can completely learn about languages like Java language. I can talk about my learning procedure. I can completely learn my programming skills on YouTube. Yeah, and online like short courses about programming. Muzammil, if we talk about my learning procedure, I can totally learn my languages courses from YouTube, and also I can register myself on online short courses. Then I can completely get my skills on programming.
Paid short courses you're talking about?
No,
Free,
paid.
free
Yeah,
online.
Free courses,
online.
free
Yeah,
online.
From
free
Google,
courses.
I think.
Yeah.
yeah, Google
Okay,
and
they are certified.
They provide you
They
certificate.
provide certificate
Yeah,
or
yeah,
not?
yeah.
some people provide certificates, some
What
not.
about
Yeah.
Google?
Yeah, Google also provides certificate,
provides
yeah.
certificate, of
Okay.
course. Yeah.
So do you have
Everyone
any
know that.
certificate of Google also, man?
No, I can't register myself on Google. Yeah,
Okay.
online courses like YouTube channels, teachers recommend
Okay,
our,
okay,
college,
understood.
our
I
courses.
understood. What about you, Hassan? How you learn skills? What is the great way to learn any skills?
If you are a software engineer, you should know how to solve a problem with your skills. It is a problem-solving
Yeah.
subject.
Yeah.
He is telling that you can join online courses to getting the to get the skills. If you are getting the skill, you are a good coder.
Yeah.
In the words.
Okay, so were telling that it's a program solver subject.
Yeah, it is a problem solving.
Okay, so I think that to become a good software engineer, you should be a logic sense. You should have logic sense
Yeah,
because
you are
there is a
right.
lot of logic in software. Because while you should be that much sharp that if you are reading a question
Yeah,
of
of course.
program, so you have automatically you have a we can say
You should
logic.
know the how which library is used.
Yeah, we elaborate those methods or these type of
Methods,
things
yeah.
and logic, what you are going to use, logic, which logic you are going to use. So I think this is a compulsory.
Yeah, you are right.
Muzammil, if we talk about today's programming subject, most of people, like students, they can complete get program from ChatGPT.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and easily complete our assignments. Yeah,
I have objection on that. If they are copying the program from ChatGPT,
yeah,
there is another degree the Google has we can say invented. Google has launched another degree. We can say there is AI.
oh,
Yeah, yeah.
AI.
okay.
Okay, it's another name. Just I can't in my mind. So there is another degree. So in this degree, they teach you how to use the tools of ChatGPT. If you learn that degree or if you learn the tools of ChatGPT, you can become a we can say pro software
Software
engineer in because if you learn that tools, you should not learn about logics, methods, or these type of things. You should only know how to use the ChatGPT tools. ChatGPT will make you the proper code, and he will tell the system that which kind of
What is
libraries
it?
and these type of things are used. So I think that's also we can say key point. But yeah, if you, in this age, in this teenage,
Yeah,
the new programmers they are learning the things only like it's I think shortcut. They are using shortcut.
yeah. They use soft.
Yeah.
shortcuts, yeah.
First of all, they should learn about the programming and what is program, what are the methods,
How you
what
solve the
are
problem,
yeah logics,
logics, yeah.
methods, formulas, and all type of things.
Library.
Okay, so first of all, they should learn about the programming logics.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so then I think that it's my suggestion also that after the bachelor's program, after their graduation, they should learn about the tools of ChatGPT
Yeah.
because like they after that they will have the multi-purpose skills about the programming. So I think that's the good thing.
Muzammil, programming is not like if you can completely grip on data types and system.out.println, then you can complete grip on programs. It totally depends upon logics,
Yeah,
Logics.
human
yeah,
logics.
yeah, that's
yeah.
Problem solving.
Yeah. It is very important. If you cannot, if you have not grip on problem solving, then you cannot compete with market. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm telling that Hassan, like what were your views on that? Like the new generations or new students, like they are now directly using the ChatGPT. It has advantages or disadvantages for them?
It has disadvantages for the young generation because first you should learn about what is the logics, how you can solve the problems, etc. etc. After you should complete your graduation, you should use ChatGPT.
When you have like a software, your own software house, or like then you can use ChatGPT
Yeah.
also.
You
But
have,
first of all, then you should also learn about the ChatGPT tools.
You should
Yeah.
know what the things is in the code. What's our type of thing using
Like-
in the codes.
If you take anything, that it has also advantages as well as disadvantages for it. Like if you are taking ChatGPT, it has also advantages and as well as disadvantages for them because ChatGPT don't allow you to use your own sense.
if you are a student, then I will suggest you first you can try yourself on coding.
Yeah.
If you can stuck on something,
No matter like what kind of code
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
using, like
if you are stuck, then you will then you can see on ChatGPT but first, this is very important. First, first you can
You should solve this.
you should solve. Yeah.
Yeah, like if you're like making bugs in your program or the error, you will learn from that.
Yeah.
In the first, everyone fails. So, but after the learning from your mistakes, you will become a good software
Software
course,
developer
developer,
also.
yeah.
Like if you're talking about the Bill Gates, he's also failed so many times. But we can't talk about that person right now. But we have some suggestions for you for the new generations. Like keep like doing these type of things. Keep learning skills
Skills.
from internet.
Yeah.
And internet is full of skills and tips for making new codes and logics and methods, all type of things. You have Java compiler from you can check your Java code or things. Python
Yeah,
compiler. There are so every language of compiler on the internet, and but you can use. But the first thing that you should do by your own self,
Of course, yeah.
and no matter how many mistakes you are doing, but you will learn. And so here we ends this podcast, and inshallah we will meet you in another podcast very soon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.